falls asleep right there in the room.
Hi, Victoria. What you doing? Oh, you got complaints? You have complaints? What? Tell Dada. You gonna go sleep? Climb under the covers, go Betty bye. You're tired. I can't look at your eyeball. Yeah, 'cause you got up at 6 in the morning, that's why. Yeah, you thought it'd be a good idea. You thought that'd be a good idea too, didn't you?
I knew that was coming.
If only there was some adult supervision here. They would stop this.
She's a good girl. She knows better. The princess and the pea. Do you feel the pea, Victoria? All those pillows?
Yes, I do. It hurts. Very uncomfortable.
She's gonna be a queen after all. We gotta raise her right. What, Bubba? What is it? A ball? What? Oh, so tired. So tired. And it's 9:42 in the morning.